In this video, I'm going to explain about classes and objects in Kotlin. So first of all, let me create a project. I'm using this. This is the IntelliJ IDE as we using the previous videos also. So let me go to File and create a new project. And I'm giving the name as Hello Kotlin. Then it is IntelliJ. Now make sure you have selected Kotlin. Click on Create. Okay, now the project has been created and it is giving a default main function and it is giving some information. So to explain about classes and objects, let me create a package. First, what is package? Package is nothing but a group of classes, so we can organize the code in a specific format. To create a package, just go to source, click on new and click on this package. I am giving the package name as example.myapp. Okay, I have given the name as example.myapp and click on enter. Now the package has been created. In this package, I'm going to create the class. For creating the class, click on this package, click on new and select this Kotlin class and file. Now I would like to create a class name as aquarium. Now choose the class and click on enter. Now this aquarium class has been created. So in the aquarium class, I would like to define some properties so that we can. So first of all, what is class? Class is nothing but the blueprint for specific item. So if you want to define one thing, just you are making a blueprint for that object. So here I would like to create an aquarium. So I'm going to give some properties how aquarium should be uh, present. The values are like variable width, so here, so I have given the default value as 20, width and height of type in equal to 40, then var length, I have defined the length top type integer and giving the default value as 100. Now I have defined the we call it as properties. So these are the properties in this class. So one more advantage with the Kotlin is that no need to create a setters and getters method here. By default, it will create all the getters and setters for these properties. If you check in Java or other programming language, manually we have to set the getters and get setters, but here no need to write it. Now, now let me create a main function, a main class, so that we can call this class. Here in the same package, click on new, click on this Kotlin and class. Now main, this is the main class and choose the type as file, click on enter. Now this main, this has created. Okay, now calls functions, function build aquarium, build aquarium. This is the function I'm defining and of type variable my aquarium. So here I'm creating the object for this aquarium class. So now the object has been created for this aquarium. Generally, if you compare with the Java language, here we define the new keyword to create any object. But in Kotlin, not required to give any new keyword. If you define like this, it automatically create the object for this aquarium class. Now I'm defining the main function. In the main function, I'm calling this build aquarium. Okay, now the build aquarium, we are calling it from this. And in the aquarium class, let me define one more method, fun print size. I'm going to print the size of these values, print ln width. By calling this, to call this properties, we need to give dollar symbol, then width. So now it will call this number. And for calling this length, dollar length, and the last one is height, height, dollar height. So now we have we are calling these properties and printing here. Now in the main function, so we are calling this build aquarium. In this build aquarium, we created the object for it, and let me call this the method which are defined in the aquarium class, my aquarium dot print size. So now by using this object, we are calling the print size. So if we are calling this one, it will comes here and print whatever we define the properties here, and it will print it. Let me run this code. So here the uh, beside this main function, it shows this symbol, so we have to run this. Now the program is running. Now it is printed the values width 20, length 100, and height 40. So by calling this one, it called this print size and printed this properties value. So this is main about the classes and objects in the Kotlin programming language. Thank you. In the next video, I will explain about the adding the class constructors and also the second constructors in the Kotlin. Thank you.